Yeah. Yeah.
As well is three things kind of need to be in alignment, and that's your tools and a trust in those tools, your system and a trust in those system, or a confidence in that system, and you as the trader, you as the behavior decision making component of trading. And when new people are starting out, I tend to see a lack of one of those three categories. And now I'm just speaking specifically to the trading environment and not any of the external stuff that happens.
Okay.
But people that don't trust the tools tend to build a system on what I want to say, on an unstable foundation, because they're not actually relying on the tools, and maybe they think that they know better, or whatever the reason is, that they don't end up sticking to their system. The other thing that I see is people not developing a system. So they jump on a meme stock, or they have some success with a handful of stocks. But maybe that was during a time when the overall market is just pushing everything up. So you almost can't get it wrong because everything's moving up. And then they start to hit some issues with their trading when that market environment ceases to exist and changes to something that's a little less helpful to just throwing a dart at the market and having something go up. And then probably the biggest one is trust in your own decision making, and allowing ego and fear and hope to creep in, which then when that starts to creep in, I see a lot of traders begin to doubt the tools, begin to doubt themselves, and ultimately begin to doubt their ability or their system's ability to get them to where they want to go, and they end up moving on to something else. So usually one of those three components leads to a detriment of all three of those components if it's not managed appropriately.